Going on, traders? I hope you're all having a great time. Today was crazy. Check this out. I hope you all had a great day as well. And I hope you all could bank from my trading signals today in the free Telegram group. But let me show you what I did in the inner circle group. All right, so because some of you have missed out on some analysis and you have to check it out. So let's scroll to the beginning of the day. Today was heavy. I have sent a lot of messages. This was today, so yeah. Yeah, we have closed some profits on DAX and DO, as you all know. Then we were looking for a new entry on USD CAD, and yeah, I was looking for shorts on GBP JPY, and yeah, I was just sending everything what I did and how I did this 170 grand, and yeah, this is what I did today in the group. Then we have some group chats over here where everybody can talk to each other, you know. So today was heavy. We are a lot of people in here. So if you're not in yet, man, make sure to join the inner circle, man. It's the right time, it's right now. Because every recession, every depression, when the markets are crashing, it's new chances for us traders. We never lose our job, you know. The markets are always moving, and I'm sure they will move always, you know. So yeah, make sure to join the inner circle, and yeah, invest in yourself, man. You're worth it. And what's 400 bucks for a skill that you can benefit from for the rest of your life? I mean, with trading, if you master the skill, if you're consistent, disciplined, and focused, and if you really study this stuff hard, man, there are literally no limits. So what is 400 bucks? Come on, man. See you on the inside. All right. Check the link to the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Join the masterclass. Join our group chat. Connect to all the traders from all around the world, and let's get it cracking, guys. Let's make some money, man. Let's get it. Have fun and have a great day. I hope you all guys are healthy and all your loved ones are in a good health condition. Have a great time. Peace out.